200 days a year, I'm on a bike. It's how I get around Brooklyn, where I live and work as a food photographer and director. The neighborhoods are packed with boutiques, restaurants, cafes, and markets. It's kind of like the streets of Paris. I'm Noah Fecks, and if you want to know why I rarely feel the need to leave my borough to eat, follow me. In my line of work, I stay close to the food scene. I get to tell its story in photos. I constantly have my eye out for that perfect combination of fun and affordable, and an amazing new bite is always just around the corner. My studio is in Red Hook, a waterfront neighborhood with a nautical vibe and plenty of cool cafes and bars, like Fort Defiance. It's a few blocks from the studio and practically my second kitchen. My favorite thing on the menu? Deviled eggs. Tasty, super visual, and a total bargain at only $4 an egg. In fact, I'm going to tote these beauties back to my studio for a shoot. Brooklyn is home to a strong community of makers and creatives. It's so collaborative, and I'm often pairing the work of local chefs and artists in my projects. Like this custom design by my friend Stephanie, a pattern artist who runs a textile company, Society of Wonderland. Her aesthetic is modern and fun. I'm always super excited to see what's next, what's new, and what's old that's new again. Food is so dynamic and global that it's a medium I never get tired of. The ceramic piece for my shoot today is from the pottery studio Clareware in Gowanus. When you need unique, funky, handcrafted pieces that you won't find anywhere else, you go see Claire. Photographing food makes me hungry, so I'm always in the mood to eat. And I'll never turn down a really good cup of coffee. So I'm thrilled that my close friend Renato just opened Ciao Gloria. It's an Italian-style cafe in nearby Prospect Heights. Renato had a much-loved bakery in Red Hook, and his pastry game is top-notch. I'm a sucker for all things scone, and their lemon poppy seed is one of my favorites in all the land. Just up the street is another cool spot opened by friends of mine called Maison Yaki. Everything is a la carte, and most of the menu is these little skewers. They range from $4 to $9, so you can mix and match different tastes. I am utterly obsessed with their beef tongue sando or the duck l'orange skewer. It's easy to pop in there early evening, no reservations, snag a bite, and bolt. Well, not without playing a little pétanque out back. It's been a good day if I squeeze in 4 meals. And Mimi's Diner, another go-to of mine, is right nearby. It's so cozy and relaxed here. The menu is a spin on comfort food. I'm not a huge sweets person, but I never pass up dessert here. They get everything right. To me, Brooklyn is one food adventure after the next, and this trip could keep going, but I'm actually pretty full. I'm Noah Fecks. Thanks for riding along.